I'm Janelle Marie. I'm talking with Michael Lau, president of USA Bath. Hi, Michael.
Hey, hey.
All right, so Michael, people have been watching the videos. They're ready to go with USA Bath. So what happens when they finally say, yep, I'm going for it? What's next?
We celebrate.
Yay!
That's it. No. At that point, our work really begins, actually. I mean, that's when the rubber hits the road. So the first thing we'll do is your consultant will go back into the bathroom and take a full set of pictures and very detailed measurements. Really, it's a game of inches, kind of like football. You have to make sure everything fits right, meets code, all of those details.
Okay.
If it's a full bath remodel, which again is about 20% of our business, 80% is wet area only.
Okay.
If it's a full bath remodel, we're going to actually schedule a follow-up appointment to have one of our technicians come and remeasure everything.
Wow.
Because that's actually when the codes come into play. The toilet has to be so far from the vanity. You have to look at venting. There's a,
Didn't know all
there's
that.
a lot.
Really?
There is a lot. And that's, you know, it's a big project, and there's a lot to do, a lot of details. And that's why, once again, you're not expected to be the expert. That's our job.
That's true.
So we have to do that for you. We have to get it right.
Okay.
So getting all those details is very important. After we get all that, it goes back to our operations team in our office, and they sit down and do a full review.
Okay.
Right? We have to double check it because we're human too. And sometimes, you know, I wrote down 36 inches, but it's actually 46 inches, and we're looking at the pictures, it's not making sense. So we double check everything to make sure it's correct. And we do all of that before we order any materials, because if we go get things that are wrong size, we start over, we waste time. Don't want to do that.
Don't want to do that.
So really that whole first phase is work that we do, taking all of the measurements, all of the pictures, making sure all of the clearances work, you know, take into account there's a window in the bathroom or not a window, and then we order. Once we order the materials, we send you a letter so that you know what's going on. And it's not the next day. It's going to take a little while to make sure all of this is verified. We're going to send you a letter saying, good news, everything is cleared, everything is double checked, we've ordered everything. Here's the expected timing of when we expect these materials to come in. Again, every project we do is custom. It's not like we're running down to the store and buying a tub and saying, here you go. Everything is custom, so there is a little bit of a lead time. But we want to keep you updated. So we'll give you that letter that says, here's the estimated timing of things coming in. And also, here's a checklist of things to expect when we come to do the installation.
That's good to know.
Such as, we're going to need to park a truck and a trailer somewhere. So if you can tell us ahead of time where would be the best place, that would be great. We're going to need a place to set up to work, whether it's in a garage or somewhere else where we can put a canopy.
Okay.
We're going to shut the water off for a short time. We'll tell you when, and we'll work with you to make sure it's a convenient time. It doesn't take too long. We're going to lay down tarps, all of the things to expect.
How many people are going to come to your house?
How many people? Make sure you take the pictures off the wall because there will be banging, what to do with pets, all of those things, so there are very few surprises on the day. Then once the materials come in, we check them again. Because even if we've double checked everything, sometimes something will come in damaged or the wrong size, so we check them again. Once everything is green lighted, we call you, we schedule your install, and we're ready to go.
And is this before or after we've gotten our price?
Oh, this is way after. We don't do anything until you've agreed on the price.
So no surprises.
That's our goal. No surprises.
All right, that is great information. Thank you. Click on the other videos to learn more or give USA Bath a call. Michael, thank you.
Thank you.